Hi, everybody. Oldironwill here. Hope everybody's having a Merry Christmas and been a great holiday for you so far. I thought let's have a little fun and let's do a 12 Days of Christmas Stationary Engines and Tractor edition with me, Oldironwill. And what's day one going to be? Well, any guesses out there? Think it's going to be a tractor? Think it's going to be an engine? Restored? Running? Something else? Put your guesses down in the comments. And with that, let's roll into day one of Oldironwill's 12 Days of Christmas. So, guys, there it was, day one of Oldironwill's 12 Days of Christmas. That was my Fairbanks Morris 1 horsepower Jack Jr. engine. I bought that engine at a consignment sale a number of years ago. That was when I first hauled it home, just basically had unloaded it off the trailer, hooked up a battery and coil to it, put some fuel in it, oiled things up, just checked everything over to make sure everything was free and loose and working, and decided to see if it would fire up, and that it did. Definitely needs some TLC to get it to where I would like it to be, and probably it's an engine I'll look at restoring and removing the paint from and make it look kind of old and all that type of stuff. But I've always had a soft spot for my Fairbanks Morris engines, and there's one I have. So with that, thanks everybody for tuning in for day one. Hopefully you'll come back tomorrow, see what day two is going to be, what that feature is going to be. So with that, Merry Christmas, everybody. Stay safe out there, and hopefully see you tomorrow on day two.